And yo, hear these bar sounds, profound. Lost ones revealed, Shadow Hill Nation, smiling with golden grills. Overflow the brim, hold still for the camera. Exposing hidden data when they show the film. Now we're on live with no coding, chill. Hear these bar sounds, hear these bar sounds. Yeah, lucrative lingo to express the symbol of the times. Lavish times they all single, and I approach to sympathize. You better keep it tight, leash on your girl, cause she just might be victimized. While you home petrified, she don't show up. Only to spot her on the video when I blow up. Yeah, hold up, man, hold up. There was no ring on it, so I threw some bling on it. Then after a few drinks, she feels she owe us. Now she's singing a bum on a tour bus. Then straight to the stage, turn it up, some record us. Lyrics for days, I keep going in them porous. This is a forecast, thunder and lightning applaud us. Mothers and daughters' tongues cling to their corners, cause they dream of being all upon us. Being all upon us, man. Ladies, it's my intention to provide terrible torment. How I unzip and lick till the lieutenant stands to attention. Love in the shape of your hips, Let me help you realize your dreams. No names mentioned, just sighs and screams. Nibble on your ear like, oh, you like it deep. How it's bold as sheets is sumo wrestling. Taste it, whipped cream all in your tits, sweat dripping, room full of the stench of love. Encore, then we cuddle up with your pretty face in my chest. With your pretty face in my chest. Yo, hear these bar sounds, profound. Lost ones revealed, Shadow Hill Nation, smiling with golden grills. Overflow the brim, hold still for the camera. Exposing hidden data when they show the film. Now we're on live with no coding, chill. Hear these bar sounds, hear these bar sounds. Yeah, yo, it's showtime and what I wrote down hit the airwaves. How my rulership begins at the ending. When they clap, when they get a dab, yeah, the king is back. Your gangsters back, they just pretending. Meanwhile, the shit is genuine. Like letter that don't tear, all your haters run scared. Enough said, no need to get chastised. Mommy took it off when she hit the sacred notes. I simply order honeys by their ass size. And she kept live, sipping on something till the sun shows. Tonight it's all exercise, no bedtime. Honey screaming out, I'm almost right by the finish line. We should throw a towel alone, then I know it's dinner time and I'm ready to get energized. It's like rolling 2 6s in a dice. As soon as I turn the mic on, then the hype's born. An offspring of slick verses. On stage niggas can't bear to look at me like they side so. Just gotta go in, don't rehearse this. Gotta go in, don't rehearse it. Yo, it's nothing as simple. Find me a pretty little something with dimples, finesse and hips, gold skin tone. This one couldn't have came out of my rib bone. Damn, she's so fine, plus she feeling me, it's obvious. She might have been raised on the muesli and yoga. Ooh, girl, you fly, let me hit you on your tens for a good time tonight. It's right tonight, girl, it's right tonight. See the flashy lights, compliments, she smile, sexy ass in them shorts. Keep singing the head of every passerby. She's just my type. Yo, hear these bar sounds, profound. Lost ones revealed, Shadow Hill Nation, smiling with golden grills. Overflow the brim, hold still for the camera. Exposing hidden data when they show the film. Now we're on live with no coding, chill. Hear these bar sounds, hear these bar sounds.